What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Friday morning, December 29th, 2023. Time right now is 9:48 a.m. And I'm out here at Old Sparks School. And we'll fly some. I was on vacation here. I've been wanting to fly all week, and I haven't really been able to fly at all because the weather's been not so good. Now, I did fly on Christmas Day at a cricket spot, which I don't know if I'm going to post a video. I was hoping with my new iPhone I could edit videos on the go, but it turns out I can't really do that because you can't overdub videos, like splice two videos together on iMovie. So maybe there's another program that would make it me be able to do that. But, oh yeah, there's janky props on this one from Christmas Day at that cricket spot. I don't feel like changing the props out because I have a feeling this place is going to tear up my quad. And my other quad, I ripped the Action 2 mount off. So, yeah, this is what we used to call the Old Sparks School. When I was a kid, it was Sparks Elementary School, but it burnt down in a fire in 1995. And it was originally built in 1909 as Sparks Agriculture School. And then it was like agriculture school, then it was like their high school, and then elementary school. I didn't go to this school, but I had some friends who did, and if I recall, this old part of the building, which is the only thing left, they used as a computer lab upstairs, and I don't know what was downstairs when it burnt down in 95. And then they replaced it. There's still a Sparks Elementary School, but it's a brand new building in another location. And then when we were kids, they still, I don't know, there's baseball fields here, so that's pretty much what they use this property for now. Just trying to feel the lay of the land. It's really nothing really too exciting to fly. The first time I flew here, which was a couple of years ago, I had to retrieve my quad on the inside, and I found a propeller. So other people who fly FPV in the area do fly here. A lot of scraggle. But technically, it's not really that good of a place to fly. Like, I could power loop gap that, but all the scraggle.
Low battery, 21.5 volts.
Well, my hands are getting a little cold. Oh, I could power loop gap this probably. Oh no, there's floorboards here. Oh no, I can't do that. Although it'll be kind of neat to dive through those gaps there, huh? Oh. Denied, huh? Oh, too much scraggle. Oh. Do I have to... I'm not going to get that one. I have to recover. Well, if you wanted me to go in there, you got your wish. I probably can power loop gap that. We have a ceremonial security here. Let's see if I can find any evidence of it. FPV people flying here. Stairs. Yeah, there was no getting out of that. Oh, there's a little room back here. Let me pause the action cam. Wonder what some kind of like HVAC room. Electrical outlet up there. They embed it. And I might be able to play with this stair. Yeah, I'll probably try to S-loop into these stairs. Or you know what? I can power loop up through the stairs and try to do a front flip backwards. That's what I'll try to do. There's someone's number there if you want to call. Yeah, I'll try to power loop up through these stairs and then kind of front flip through here and can go back through. Another thing you can do is I can try to go down this door and power loop through this. The problem is there's just so much scraggle. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said it was built in 1909, right? Those were the two dates I memorized for this video. 1909 for when it was built and 1995 for when it burnt down. There was like 3 of these stone-based schools built in the area. And there was 7th District Elementary was like a stone-based school, and that burnt down in the 70s. And there's still one left. Pretty Boy Elementary School is still standing, and that's a stone-based school. The problem is, if I'm going to do all these like tricks, I'm probably just going to have to set up shop in there, because that's all I'm going to be doing is going in and out of that fence. The good thing is so cold that you don't have to worry about anything overheating. Oh, I had it, but I habitually disarmed. Do you think I can get out of it? Oh, I got out of it. Good. Okay, I cut back way too early. I need to kind of change this battery out. I'll try one more time.
Low battery, 21.8 volts.
That was the move.
Low battery, 21.9 volts.
So, going into this vacation, all my batteries have been shot. So actually on Black Friday, I bought 10 new batteries. And then but I didn't want to bring them here because I knew it was going to be cold, and I know the cold's not good for the batteries. But definitely either these batteries are shot, a combination of that and the cold on Christmas when I was flying, I wasn't getting good flight times, and a lot of I get a lot of heavy voltage dips. The thing is, I usually run a battery till I totally destroy them. So I don't know at what point should I mean, I have 10 brand new batteries, so like part of me says, I have 7 batteries now plus 10 brand new ones. So part of me says just recycle the 7 ones and just do the 10 new ones, because I don't want to risk like burning down my house by holding on to bad batteries. But then part of me is like, I don't want to waste what could be a good battery. Okay, I guess we'll look at trying to do that other power loop sideways there. I never did do that S dive down the stairs. So the other, oh, you see there's scraggle right there. The other one was to do a power loop. Man, there's a lot of scraggle. There's a tree growing in there. I guess for sake of the video, I'll just go ahead and do it. I'm trying to think which way I should go. Probably go this way, because I think there's less scraggle in this area. Okay, got to try to line it up. Oh. I'll bring the controller. I'll try to fly. Here, I'll tell you what I'll do. Oh, and I just realized I never plugged in my mic. Well, we'll see how the audio is just on this 360. I usually have a mic with a windsock. Always forgetting something. I haven't been using this 360 cam that often, but I figured for this video it would be better. Okay, bring propellers with me. We'll just go in and stay in here until we complete this move or destroy the quad. I also brought my Cinewhoop with me, my 3.5-inch Cinewhoop I built that I haven't made a video about yet, to try to experiment with. And it has a Hero 12 on it to try to experiment at doing cinematography stuff. But haven't been able to fly it. There's a bank down the road here, an old bank. I was thinking about flying it there. Okay, where are we at? We're right there. Yeah, a ton of scraggle, huh? Propellers look good, just a lot of scraggle. So the question is, where would be a safe place for me to stand so I don't get hit? Video is still going. I guess I'll stand out here because I should be safe out here. Well, okay, I'll stand over here because I'm going to be going this way. Here, I'll sit these over here so I don't have a catastrophe with them falling out of my pocket. Those are my good sunglasses. Okay. Should have checked that. Okay. We should be good to go. Angry props. Angry props. Made it through. Okay, I did it. Okay, I'm going to call this a proper rip.
Low battery, 20.7 volts. Low battery, 3.1 volts.
I was going to try to drop. I did it. Yeah, so I only have extreme voltage drop, and I only have 352 milliampere hours drawn out of this. And there's something wrong with my video. My DJI video is getting very bad.
Low battery, 22 volts.
But yeah, I think this was a successful little rip of this Spark School. Like I said, I flew here before, but I never posted a video here from the last time I flew. And I'm kind of running out of time on my trip. I leave tomorrow. So I am going to try to go to the bot grinder spot after, probably this afternoon. But after here, I'm going to go down to the Sparks Bank and try to experiment with getting a good cinematography shot with my 012.
Low battery, 21.5 volts.
But yeah, I hope
Low battery, 21.5 volts.
you
Low battery,
enjoyed this video.
21.5 volts.
I'll see you guys on the next one.